Later at home, Johnny gets a call from Valentina, who went back to his house to get the mail and found Walter's infamous package. Inside there's a flash drive, and Johnny asks her to bring it to Hawaii. At the airport, Johnny tries to receive Valentina with a hug, but she just throws her suitcase at him. Everyone gets in the car and Pika tries to access the flash drive in his computer, only to find a banking firewall. Valentina realizes it's a cold wallet and explains it's digitally encrypted. The flash drive is the key, meaning the Yakuza wants it to access someone's account. The password needs 12 randomly generated words, so James gives Pika the ticket he found in Walter's wallet. Suddenly a helicopter opens fire at them. Johnny tries to shoot back, but James is having trouble keeping control of the car because he has to dodge the bullets but also the vehicles that the chopper brings down to block the way. Valentina convinces him to let her drive and shows amazing skill as she speeds up, driving around every crashed car as if was nothing.